Hazel? Oh, Hazel, this is where it comes from. I know now. A terrible thing is coming.
What do you mean?
Look. The field. The field. It's covered with blood.
Blood? Don't be silly.